drill a hole through your grip. Nice and easy, just like that. Clean that mess you made. Grind or file the hole for a smooth finish. Tap, tap, clean, clean. Try if bar mate fits nice and smooth. Looking good. Let's put it all together now. Slide the grip onto the handlebar. Align the hole with the edge of the handlebar. Insert the tool into the handlebar. Don't forget to tighten the grip. Store the bits into the tool. Insert the tool on the other side. Congratulations, you made it. Now go out and ride.